Ever wondered about the challenges of creating business opportunities in today's digital landscape? Well, let's delve into the first step of this intricate process, identifying market gaps and customer needs. In this age of information, data is the compass that guides us to the dense forest of market trends, customer preferences, and unmet needs. The power of data analytics is like a key that unlocks these hidden treasures, revealing niches with high potential. Techniques such as sentiment analysis on social media, data, market segmentation, and predictive analytics are like the individual teeth on this key, each playing a crucial role in turning the lock. However, having a key is not enough. One must also know where to insert it. This is where competitive analysis comes in. Through the application of machine learning algorithms, we can identify gaps in our competitors' offerings. Natural language processing, or NLP, serves as our magnifying glass, allowing us to scrutinize competitor products, reviews, and ratings, and discern where we might have a competitive edge. Understanding the market landscape is much like putting together a puzzle. Each piece, whether it's a trend, a customer preference, or a competitor's weak spot, must be meticulously examined and placed in the right position. Only then can we see the complete picture, the full spectrum of opportunities that lie before us. But remember, identifying these opportunities is just the beginning. It's like finding a door in a wall. The real challenge lies in opening that door and exploring what's on the other side. And that's where the next steps come in, leveraging technology for innovation, making data-driven decisions, ensuring ethical practices, planning for scalability and sustainability, and auditing for continuous improvement. So, as we embark on this journey, let's remember that understanding the market landscape and customer needs is the first step towards generating business opportunities. It's the cornerstone upon which we build our strategies, the foundation that supports our innovative ideas. It's the starting point of our adventure in the digital landscape. An adventure filled with challenges, discoveries, and endless possibilities. Once you've identified potential opportunities, how can you turn them into tangible business ideas? The answer lies in the strategic use of technology. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, keeping abreast of the latest technological advancements is not just beneficial, but essential. This includes, but is not limited to, areas such as artificial intelligence, blockchain, Internet of Things, and cloud computing. For example, the advent of blockchain technology has opened up new avenues for innovation in diverse sectors, providing solutions for supply chain transparency and secure transactions. Similarly, cloud computing has revolutionized the way we store, access, and manage data, making it a powerful tool for businesses. The next step is to bring these abstract concepts to life. This is where your system development skills come into play. Developing prototypes or minimum viable products, MVPs, for your innovative ideas is a practical and cost-effective way to test the waters. By creating a basic version of your product or service, you can validate your hypotheses and gather early user feedback. This not only helps in refining your idea, but also saves you from making extensive upfront investments in ideas that may not work out. Prototyping also provides an excellent opportunity to experiment with cutting-edge technologies. For instance, You could leverage machine learning algorithms to enhance the functionality of your product or use natural language processing to improve user interaction. But it's not just about creating innovative solutions. A crucial part of this process is validating these solutions. And this is where technology again plays a pivotal role. By leveraging advanced analytics and data visualization tools, you can monitor the performance of your prototypes, analyze user feedback, and make informed decisions about the future of your product or service. In essence, technology acts as a catalyst in the innovation process. It accelerates the journey from idea to product, making it faster, more efficient, and more effective. Leveraging technology not only helps in creating innovative solutions, but also in validating them early on. So as you move forward, remember to keep technology at the forefront of your innovation strategy. It's your key to creating and validating innovative, viable, and impactful business ideas in the digital age. Now that you have some innovative ideas, how do you decide which one to pursue? The answer lies in making data-driven decisions. Let's delve deeper into the role of predictive modeling in decision making. Predictive modeling is like having a crystal ball. It allows you to gaze into the future and anticipate market trends and consumer behavior. By using techniques such as time series analysis, regression models, and machine learning, you can forecast future demand for your products or services. Imagine being able to predict what your customers want before they even know they want it. This is the power of predictive modeling. It can help you identify which of your innovative ideas has the most potential and align your resources accordingly. This strategic approach not only saves time and money, but also positions your venture for success right from the start. But predictive modeling is just half the story. The other half is monitoring how the market responds to your initiatives, and this is where business intelligence tools come into play. Business intelligence, or BI tools, are your eyes and ears in the marketplace. They provide real-time data visualization and dashboards that allow you to monitor key performance indicators and market responses. You can see how your product or service is performing, identify areas of improvement, and make informed decisions on the fly. These tools can also help you understand the subtle nuances of your market. For instance, which marketing campaign is driving the most traffic? Which features of your product are customers raving about? Which areas are your competitors excelling in? These insights can guide your decision-making process and help you refine your strategies. So, whether it's forecasting future trends with predictive modeling or keeping a pulse on the market with BI tools, data-driven decisions are at the heart of successful ventures. They provide a solid foundation for your decisions, eliminating guesswork and reducing risk. Making decisions based on data can significantly increase the chances of your venture's success. And who doesn't want to stack the odds in their favor? In the pursuit of innovation, how can you ensure that your business practices are ethical? This question is not just important, it's imperative. As we delve into the world of data and AI, the ethical implications of our actions become increasingly significant. Firstly, let's talk about algorithmic bias and fairness. Algorithms, the backbone of any data-driven business, are only as good as the data they're trained on. If this data is biased, the algorithm's decisions will also be biased, leading to unfair outcomes. So it's crucial to audit your algorithms for bias and fairness. This involves not just checking the data you're using, but also the design and implementation of your algorithms. This way you can ensure that your algorithms are making decisions that are fair and equitable. And remember, mitigating algorithmic bias is not just about avoiding legal troubles. It's about fostering a business that respects and values all individuals, regardless of their background or identity. Next, let's move on to data privacy and security. In this digital age, data is gold, but it's not just any gold. It's your customer's gold, so it's your responsibility to protect it. This means designing your business models with a strong emphasis on data privacy and security. It means adhering to regulations like the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR. But it's not just about following the law. It's about showing your customers that you value their privacy, that you're willing to take the necessary steps to protect their data. This not only builds trust with your customers, but it also enhances your reputation as a responsible, ethical business. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but how do I actually do it? Well, the answer is simple yet complex. It involves constant learning, constant testing, and constant improvement. It involves staying abreast of the latest developments in technology and regulations. It involves listening to your customers and their concerns. And most importantly, it involves a commitment to ethical business practices. A commitment to doing what's right, not just what's profitable. Ethical business practices not only fulfill legal requirements, but also build trust with your customers. So let's strive for a business world that's not just innovative, but also ethical, because at the end of the day, that's what truly matters. So you have a promising business idea, but is it scalable and sustainable? This is where your system engineering skills come into play. Evaluating the scalability of your business model is a critical step towards ensuring its success. Can it grow and adapt with increasing demand? Cloud-based solutions and microservices architectures, for instance, offer the flexibility and scalability needed for growth. But scalability isn't the only factor to consider. Sustainability is equally important. From the very beginning, incorporate sustainable practices into your business model. In this digital age, data-driven approaches can help minimize waste. Energy-efficient technologies and sustainable supply chains aren't just buzzwords. They're increasingly vital to consumers and businesses alike. In essence, your business idea should not only meet the demands of today, but also be prepared for the challenges of tomorrow. A scalable and sustainable business model is crucial for long-term success. Finally, how do you ensure that your business stays competitive in the long run? Well, it's all about auditing and continuous improvement. In the digital age, you need to be proactive in checking the pulse of your business. Regular audits of your business processes. Data quality and algorithm performance are essential. These audits help to ensure your operations meet the desired standards and are free from bias, keeping you on the right track. But it doesn't stop there. Successful businesses thrive on feedback. It's the lifeblood of improvement. Implement systems to gather continuous feedback from users and stakeholders. This valuable data allows you to iteratively refine your products, services, and business models. Think of it as a never-ending loop of improvement, always pushing you towards better results. Remember, continuous improvement is key to staying relevant in today's fast-paced digital landscape. To sum up, the journey to creating business opportunities in today's digital world hinges on identifying market gaps, leveraging emerging technologies, making data-driven decisions, ensuring ethical practices, planning for scalability, and embracing continuous improvement. It's a dynamic blend of innovative thinking, strategic analysis, and tech-savvy execution. Creating new business opportunities in the digital age is a multifaceted process, but with a strategic approach, you can navigate the challenges and thrive in the digital landscape.